This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. This video is sponsored by Interplay Learning. Simulation-based step-by-step service testing procedures. Beginning to advanced courses available. A fun and entertaining way to advance your skills. Limited time. Alright guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this coop here. And once I put the new shavings down, they'll all come in here and start flapping in the wind to clean themselves. So I'm going to try to get some video of that. It's very funny to see them do that. That's how they wash themselves in the dirt. So once I take all these shavings out, they're going to be over here flapping in the wind. I usually scrape all the stuff back because it's hard to get in there. So I usually go in and I scrape all the stuff back with a rake like this. And then I use a little kid shovel to scoop it up into this. And then I take it out back and just spread it wherever. But I'm not going to show you cleaning the coops because it's, it's nothing special, but I'll show you, once I get all the shavings down, them guys flapping in. I gotta change their water and add food. And give them water. Try to get you some shots. Okay, so I just pull everything through with this rake. I loosen it up with this rake, because sometimes it's crusty. And I'll just use this other little one here to get the rest of the fine stuff over here. This stuff I could just scoop up with a shovel. But over there it's hard because it's underneath all the bracing where they sleep. So it works out good for me. But this video is not about cleaning the coops. It's going to be about showing you how they act when I put the new sawdust down. And it's nice outside. I mean, they can go out and they can dig in the ground and in the dirt to wash themselves, but they like the sawdust, the wood shavings. They really enjoy the shavings. The leghorn. See how they kick, looking for bugs. Come on, man! I just scooped it up. Gonna make a mess. Alright, let me finish scooping this stuff up and get this stuff out of here. This little kid shovel works good. You could use one hand. That's why I like the little kid shovels. just one-handed, you know. Boom. Alright guys, so I got all the shavings down. New water, you know, fill up their food. I'll try to set you up and watch what they do. Try to set you up out here with the camera. Something like this.